Hello viewers, in this video I will show you that how to create Instagram account from your mobile phone. First of all, you have to ensure that Instagram app installed or not. If Instagram app is not installed to your mobile, then you have to install it. First of all, you have to go to Play Store, then type on the search bar. Already I have written Instagram app. There you will see a lot of result, but from here you will choose that Instagram.social. This is the real Instagram official app. Then click on the install. As you can see that it is downloading and installing automatically. So after install we will open this app. 73%, 84%, 93%. Installation completed. Now we can open this app. We are now clicking on open. So this is the startup screen of Instagram app. Here you see that by default there is a lot of account is showing, but even this is also is telling us that can we continue with Facebook account or not. We are clicking on sign up with email address. Here we can put our email address. So one confirmation code sent to our email address, we can check that. As you see that I have received one confirmation code from Instagram. I'm pasting here. Now it will ask you for the full name. Now we have to type a password. Have to allow. I have to type your date of birth. Now this is the by default username. We can change the username. This is also not available. I am choosing this. So this username is available. This is depends on you. You can choose your username in this way, which is available or not. Now I'm clicking on next. Now it will take a few minutes to register. So after that, now one option has come, connect to Facebook or not. I'm clicking on skip. Again click on skip. I will add photo later. Click on skip. So as you can see that now our profile screen has opened. So this is our startup screen of Instagram profile, and our account has opened. Thank you for watching the video.